Hello everyone, this is the X on Mining YouTube channel. Today, we will share how to connect a PC power supply to a home mining machine. This type of power supply is very quiet, so our customers are happy to share this information with everyone. This is the home Goldshell Minidoge 700M, and here is the power input interface. The white one is a PC power supply purchased by a customer, specifically for assembling PC computers. These are the interface cables that come with the PC power supply. Identify the cable that has 6 connectors, the other one has 8 connectors. Keep the remaining 2 connectors separate. Then connect the corresponding 2 8-pin connectors to the Minidoge machine interface, just like shown in the video. Find the corresponding plug on the right and connect it directly. Before connecting the network cable, find a small live wire and insert it into one of the sockets in this row. Start counting from the middle. There are 8 connectors on the left, and insert the small live wire as shown in the video. After connecting the network cable, remove the live wire. Next, connect the power cable of the PC power supply, then insert the live wire again, just like before. Now it's powered on. Look, if the fan doesn't start spinning, first unplug the network cable, then disconnect this interface from the PC power supply. Take out the CPU cable and cut it directly from here. After cutting, split it open from the middle. Turn the PC power supply upside down, and from the right side, count to the 5th and 6th slots, then insert the cable. Align the cables on both sides, cut them to fit together, then use black tape to secure them together and power it on. The machine will start the self-check mode with a red light, and then the fan will start spinning. Finally, if the self-check is successful, it will return to normal mode. That's it for today's sharing. Did you learn something? If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.